Welcome to architectural lettering. Architectural lettering is unique to our industry, so it's important that everybody understands and has a sense of what architectural lettering looks like. For this exercise, you will need a triangle, big, small, it really doesn't matter. You will need to have a sign pin, a flare pin, and your pilot pin. This exercise is done completely with ink. No pencil work whatsoever. I'm going to start here in the middle. The way this works is the distance between here and here is a ½ inch, and these letters that happen up in this area will be done with your sign pen. This is a ½ inch between here and here, and you'll be doing that with your flare pen. So between here and here, here and here, here and here, not the little thin space places. And then all the way at the bottom, it's 1/8 inch scale. So I'm going to start just at the very beginning here. The key to doing architectural lettering properly and consistently is to use a straight edge for all vertical lines. All other lines besides vertical lines are done with freehand. So what I want you to do is fill up all of these lines, every single one, all the way across with the alphabets and the numbers 1 through 9. So let me get yourself at a comfortable angle. I believe you can see what I'm doing here. These are the ½ inch letters. These are a little harder to do. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to go ahead and start in the middle here with the flare pen. Give yourself a little practice before you start up here. What I'm looking at, architectural lettering is not boxy lettering. It's extended. So I want you to work on extending your letters. So I'm going to start here. And as you can see by the sheet, it says flare pen for this level. Anytime we do ½ inch letters, we are going to use our flare pen. So just start with the alphabet. A, see how I stretch that? B has a vertical letter, and then 2 straight letters. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Then 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we would start ABC right after that. I want every line filled out all the way across. What I'm looking for is consistency. It's important to kind of develop your own style. I don't care if you make a G this way or if you make a G this way. It doesn't matter if you put an extra piece into it. All of that is perfectly fine. You'll see on the front page of this worksheet several different styles that are very similar. They all have an architectural style drawing to them, but they're unique in their own way. And yours can be unique too. We just want to see a nice, consistent path all the way through is what I'm looking for. You must use a vertical straight edge, and you want to tilt it a little bit when you're lettering. So let me go up here to the top because those are just a little bit harder. they're a little, obviously the bigger something is, the harder it is. So up here, we have A, B, C, D, E, F. So you're going to fill all those in. Again, it's okay. I got a little smeary there. That's perfectly fine. Now, if try a style, and just by the time you get down to the bottom down here, I want to start seeing some consistency. I wanted to show you at the very bottom, and I think, can I get there? I'm going to just tilt the camera just a little so I can move my paper all the way up so you can see it. So when you get down here to the pilot pen, and again, you're going to fill this all out. This is your 1/8 inch scale. And so the lines are between here and here. So you're going to use a much smaller pen, but you still want the same consistency with your letters, and practice staying within the guidelines. I sit here and talk and forget what letter I'm on. And so I'm using my straight edge as I follow through. Now, when you get all the way down to the bottom of the page, between, as you can see from this side, between here and here is 1/8 inch, and with, excuse me, is 1/4 inch, and you will be using your flare pen. And your flare pen is what we always use for our titles of our page that we're drawing. So this is stretch those letters out. Oop, misspelled. That's okay too, just go right on by, don't try to correct it. And then there's a heavy line, and then you want to put at 1/8 inch scale your name. Again, in your best lettering. In this class, we will no longer be scratching out our name. We will be using our best lettering on everything that we do. Just like that. Alrighty, so make sure you fill out your sheet completely, and good luck with your architectural lettering.